Hey guys! So we're driving home from Poconos.
Yeah, it's really upsetting.
Because we left our house all empty. And we had to pack up and leave from before 11 or else we would have to pay money.
It was a lot of money for like 25 minutes.
Yeah, I think it was $25. I have no idea.
Yeah, okay.
Anyway, so we are
in the car.
In the car now.
And it's really upsetting. No. Okay. Okay, guys, that was our camera falling.
Because somebody slammed the door closed. Okay, that was kind of funny.
Okay, but we're keeping that because it was pretty funny. Okay, so back to the serious stuff.
Yeah, so I'm sorry that we didn't post any videos of Paul McClay and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But I know that we will continue doing that when we're not together.
Yeah.
She's going away all summer, so I'm probably making videos all summer.
That's my laptop.
Funny. Okay,
Fine.
So what's it called?
We
made a scrapbook.
She made a scrapbook. Well, we made a scrapbook. And when Nicole gets home, she's gonna post a video.
Yeah.
Of our...
Well, we didn't finish.
That was someone. That was the camera falling again. Okay, so. So yeah, she's gonna post a video of our scrapbook when she gets home.
Probably, I'm not definite.
So now we're heading to the water park.
Okay.
As we start moving, the camera's probably gonna fall again.
Alright guys, bye.
Okay, bye.
Oh, whoa,
yeah.
Memorial weekend.
No, we're going to the water park and we're probably gonna take videos there.
And also about Memorial Weekend, we want to know what you did on Memorial Weekend.
Yeah,
so
post
comment
a
below.
comment.
And yeah, that's interesting.
Yeah.
So happy Memorial Weekend, happy Memorial Day, whatever. You know what
If you're
I mean?
in like international, you probably have no idea
Yeah,
what we're
you're like,
talking
what
about.
are they doing?
But
okay,
whatever. Yeah.
bye.
Bye.